Welcome to ODL Kerala. Dear learners, we usually interact in regional language Malayalam. Today I feel it will be convenient to all the students of MA Psychology all over India because at this current lockdown situation, students are little bit confused how to submit their synopsis and project of MAPC, that is MA Psychology program. By considering the confusion of the learners or their worries, Indira Gandhi National Open University headquarters has taken some decision as the revised guideline of submission of MAPC synopsis. So, you may please listen the revised guidelines given in the regional center websites and headquarters website. I am inviting your focus on that. As per the revised synopsis submission guidelines given by the School of Social Sciences, Discipline of Psychology, learners are given facility to submit soft copy of their synopsis. For that, all the regional centers are keeping a specific email ID in their regional center website, and students can submit their synopsis through this specific email ID given for synopsis submission exclusively. Before that, you may please contact with your guide. You have to select guide and you may contact with them for the preparation of for the finalization of the synopsis, and the guide list is given in the RC website, and at the same time it is given in the IGNOU main website also. So you will get the name of the guide convenient to you, and you consult with them and prepare the synopsis well, and you can submit the synopsis in the earlier told mail ID along with the consent of the guide also. The guide will give you a written consent that that person will guide you or supervise you on this particular topic, like that a format is there that will be given to the guides by general centers, and that guide will help you by giving the consent. So along with the finalized synopsis, you may submit the synopsis, this consent of the guide, plus the grade card of the MPC 005 and 6, because as per the handbook, you know, the requirement of getting into the project work from the side of the second year MAPC students is that they have to complete the two courses PC 005 and 6. Hence, to confirm the requirement, you may submit the grade card available in the website of IGNOU along with your synopsis. So this may also be submitted. Given the current COVID-19 pandemic, it is specifically advised that students may have to go through the data collection process by using primary and secondary data, and better to have secondary data. If you are using primary data by face-to-face mode, you may please follow all the guidelines and rules given by the Government of India to be protected from the pandemic COVID-19, and you have to ensure the safety measures prescribed by the Government of India. Also like that, the final synopsis need to be sent to the regional center mail. I already told you the regional center mail will be given in the RC websites, and you can submit the finalized synopsis in the RC mail ID, and this will be forwarded to the evaluators for evaluation. The evaluated synopsis will come back to regional center again, and again regional center will give it to the students through mail itself. If your synopsis is not approved, you can again submit it as per the guidelines told before, means in the same way how you were submitting the earlier one, in the same way itself again the revised one can be submitted to regional center. So regional center will again forward it to the evaluators for getting evaluated. It is specifically mentioned in the guideline that learners have to prepare their synopsis only in MS Word. then only evaluators can utilize the system for giving the track mode and other correction comment and all. So you may please prepare only in MS Word like that. The next point highlighting in the guideline is regarding guides. Before finding out the guide or before approaching the guide, you may please refer your Synopsys project handbook. For Synopsys preparation and project, there is a handbook and you may please refer it. And you know that there are three categories of guides. One is any approved academic counselor for MA Psychology can be your guide. The second category is the guides given in the guide list as earlier mentioned. That means the guides list available in the RC website and IGNOU main website. So that is the second category. Third category is sometimes students may have their preference of some particular professors or some psychology specialists for being guide. In that case, you can submit the detailed biodata of that particular person to school, the School of Social Science, addressing the concerned coordinator of the program for getting approval of that guide. Only after getting approval for that particular person, you can start your synopsis work and submission of synopsis. So if you have prepared your synopsis, you may have to wait till getting the approval of the guide if he is in the third category. So these are the three things I had to specifically tell you regarding finding out the guide. The biodata of the third category guide has to be sent to headquarters in the email ID. You please listen. That is swatipatra@ignou.ac.in. Swatipatra spelling I will tell SWATIPATRA. That is swatipatra@ignou.ac.in. Like that, another email ID is there. That is projectpsychology@ignou.ac.in. projectpsychology@ignou.ac.in. Both the email IDs will be given in the description in the video. After getting approval, you can prepare your synopsis at the email given by the RC. As per the revised guideline, the last date for submission of synopsis is 30th June 2020. So it was earlier given as 31st of May 2020. Now, as per the revised guideline, it is 30th of June 2020. And for submission of project also, the date is 30th June 2020. During the current COVID-19 situation, it is not advisable for the learners to submit their synopsis and project in hard copy only. Hence, the university has implemented a policy to permit the learners to submit both the synopsis and project either in soft copy or hard copy. That means you can submit the bound copy as per your convenience by hand or by post or via an online medium. These online media can be email IDs of IGNOU regional centers or any other Google line provided by the regional centers, and the same will be intimated to the learners by email or through concerned RC websites or SMS. If you have any query regarding submission of synopsis and project, you can contact with the email IDs given earlier, swatipatra@ignou.ac.in and projectpsychology@ignou.ac.in. And if you have any doubts on this, you can comment through the provision given in the channel. These guidelines are given to help you for successful completion of the program, and this is applicable to all the learners who are in second year of MAPC. They are registered students and the Bangalore students who have taken readmission. So up to January 2020 session, whoever is there as second year student can utilize this revised guidelines of MAPC synopsis submission, and they will be benefited by this by submitting the synopsis in time for the successful completion of the program. That's all. So carefully you go through the handbook given for project submission and then follow these guidelines also. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, please do it and wait for the new notifications by pressing the bell icon. Thank you very much.